Good morning, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars and DIYs, please feel free to consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Alright, guys, so I've been reading and receiving a lot of messages for me to make a tutorial on for this video, and um, I'm gonna finally do it for you guys. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm gonna teach you on how to make a DIY roof insulation for your car. Okay, so on this video, this is very easy to do. You just need basic tools and of course some insulation. I actually found this insulation in Japan Home yesterday. The measurement is just enough. Actually, it's pretty accurate. Check that out. All right. I bought this for 67 bucks or 66 bucks. Though it's really thin, not that thick. To be honest, I really don't need this because the place where I'm at right now is really cold. But for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna show you guys on how you will insulate your roof, especially the summer is right around the corner. Okay.
A few moments later.
Right, guys, so let's start working on the push pin locks at the back. All you need to have or use is a fork. Okay, let me place you guys here, and just make sure that you place it right in the middle. There you go. Okay, and then the other side. Same process. Okay, so it's out just using a fork. All right, now, so this should be loose. Okay, now all we need to do is remove the handles. All right, so next thing to remove are the rear door handles. So it is covered with plastic, and the size of the bolts are size 10. Okay. Let's move the other end. see if we are able to remove it by hand. Okay, one side is out. Let's do the other side. And it's out. Alright, so after removing both handles, you just need to pull down this rubber guide or holder on both ends, like that.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so we removed the handles, the mirrors. I actually left two clips to hold the roof up. Remove the rubber guides, and this side is already loose. Okay, you can see all I did was I actually worked on the trims. I didn't need to remove the sidings at the back. I just need to squeeze the sidings a bit to be able to free the roof. Okay, so let me go ahead and work on the other side. This is what I did, guys. I just pushed the roof like that, and then using your other hand, you can free the panel or the roof cover like that. All right, so now it's loose. Let me show you guys. All right, so it's loose. Now, since mine is a GLS, we have this side trims for the speaker mount and parcel tray. For GLX, I don't think they have this one. So same process. You see that? So push upwards, then pull out, just like that. Okay. And it's hard to do this using one hand. All right, there you go. So our whole roof is now free. Now the fun part. Let's put the insulation. All right, guys. So insulation is in place. So actually, the measurement in Japan Home is pretty accurate. It's just as wide and as long as the roof cover. So you can see it's in the front. Okay. No need to use any adhesive. You just need to make sure that everything is in place before securing the cover. So what we're going to do is we're gonna secure first the rear part, because this is the heavier part. Okay. So just reverse the process. Okay, done with the first part. Check that out, guys. This one is in place. Now the other side. Okay. Just make sure you press the insulation in place. And work your way on the fittings. Okay, just push upwards like that. Okay. And almost done. There you go, guys. Just double check. Okay, check that out. So as if nothing happened. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna work our way towards the front part of the vehicle. Yep. Okay, so that's the insulation, guys. That one. Okay, so make sure that the reflective part is facing the top, okay? Because that's the one rejecting the heat. Okay, I'm actually done with the rear part, so front part, just need to make sure that the weather rubber is in place, just like that, guys, just like that. All right, so next thing is the other side, and then the visors, and then the handles, and the two clips at the back. So let me just finish everything first, and I'm gonna show you the after. Alright guys, so yeah, this is actually the after of the roof insulation DIY. I actually returned everything, the trims, the rubber guards, the visors, etc. I hope you find this video useful, especially to the people that lives in the metro, which is a bit hot. You can use again a thicker insulation. You can actually measure the roof. I actually just played a gamble when I purchased the insulation on Japan Home. Yeah, it's a bit cooler now. It's actually 10 o'clock, and using the air conditioning unit, yeah, it's a bit colder, but I think you can utilize this insulation if you live in the metro or basically in a hot place. Okay. Yeah, that basically concludes our DIY for the insulation. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until our next video.